What if I told you this drone can shoot 8K video, avoid obstacles on its own, and fly up to 6 kilometers away? Sounds crazy, right? Let's find out if the S800 drone is actually worth it. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out the 2026 S800 drone, a feature-packed drone that claims to deliver pro-level performance at a much lower price. Right out of the box, the S800 looks sleek and modern. It weighs around 740 grams, which gives it a solid premium feel without being too bulky. You also get a 7.2-inch display remote, which is a huge plus. No need to connect your phone every time you fly.
Now, let's talk power. This drone comes with a 2206 brushless motor, pushing around 790 kV, which means smoother flights, less noise, and better durability. It can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour, fast enough for action shots, but still stable for beginners. And yes, the real-world control range is around 6 kilometers, thanks to its 5G relay signal system. Here's where things get exciting. The S800 features an 8K dual camera system with a 3-axis gimbal, meaning your footage stays smooth even when the drone is moving fast. You also get f2.4 aperture lens, adjustable camera angle up to 90 degrees, and a bitrate of 60 megabytes per second. In simple terms, crisp videos, stable shots, and great detail, even in motion. This drone is packed with intelligent features. GPS follow mode, it follows you automatically. 360-degree automatic surround shots. Waypoint flight, set a path and relax. Spiral and gradual ascent modes. One-key return and low battery return. And one of the coolest features? Laser obstacle avoidance. The drone can detect objects in front and avoid crashing. With optical flow, plus GPS, plus ToF positioning, hovering is super stable. Accuracy is about 0.3 meters in optical mode, 0.1 meters with GPS. It can also handle level 6 wind resistance, which is pretty impressive at this price range. The controller battery lasts up to 6 hours, and charging takes around 3 hours via USB Type-C. Just keep in mind, memory card is not included. Extra batteries are sold separately. Also, it supports AirDrop, but it's best to keep payload under 100 grams. So, is the S800 worth it? If you want long-range flying, smooth, stabilized footage, smart flight features, then yes, this is a strong contender in the mid-range drone category. But if you're expecting true cinematic 8K like high-end drones, you might want to manage expectations. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.